You push my mind right to the brink.
Not to worry, that's under control. Victor is going to a party on Saturday. Anya would be delighted to see Victor Saturday, September 10th at 3 p.m. for her 18th birthday celebration. 3 p.m. That's an hour after all the grown-ups arrive.
I like where your head's at.
One question, gentlemen. The invasion of Normandy is what? Took place when? Led by whom?
Sorry, mine, Fraulein. That's 3 questions, not 1.
D-Day, 6th of June, 1944. General Eisenhower.
Damn, you gotta teach that shit.
Yes. And you ought to get down to the principal's office. Now, en route. In Stalingrad, the soldiers had bare feet as they walked where? That's question number 8.
They'll make an awesome scene when he gives it to her.
Word. Hopefully she'll punch him or something.
Hey, that's mine!
No one gets away with cheating in my class. You can collect it later at the principal's office. Out, both of you. Auf Wiedersehen.
Come on, Zach. We're out.
Yeah, this place is dead anyway.
Question number 9.
You want to put your shirt on?
How's bridge?
You're right. Peter's facial expression is priceless.
I know. The sunglass cam was definitely a good investment. Especially with the stuff with my dad cheating in bridge, too.
Yeah, that'll make for some nice blackmail payoff.
So, what do you think we'll make on this film?
A couple $100 million at least. That's what those French folks got from the animal video on YouPorn.
Oh, the one with the porcupine and the giraffe screwing? Dude, and those are mammals. We're getting people.
People are mammals, stupid.
Whatever. Benton residents, talk to me, bitch.
Hi. It's Victor. Is Anya there?
It's Victor. He's actually buying it. Well, she's out taking a dump. Are you coming to her birthday party? I know she really wants to see you.
Really? Yeah, I'd love to come. Do you know what kind of present she would like?
The idiot wants to know what she wants for her birthday. Well, Vic, if you really want to make my sister happy, you'll buy her a tarantula. She's wanted one of those things since she was little.
Tarantula? Really?
Hell yeah. She's always dreamt of having a wrestling match between her lizard and one of them black hairy beasts.
I didn't even know she had a lizard. All right, thanks for the tip.
Are you sure you guys are related?
I know. How can anyone be that thick?